Yo, what's good, boys? I'm back again with another video. Today I'm just showing you how to get some SFX for some for like sound effects for FiveM. So let's get right into it. But the first thing I want to do is just want to open Discord, or go to Discord. Go to my Discord server. It's gonna be down in the description. And then you're gonna go to bro, you're gonna go to the sound effects and stuff. Like right for yourself. Go to SFX. Pick one of these. I'm gonna go with this one right here. Download this out right now. Alright, once you got that downloaded, you finna open your FiveM application there. Open. I'm tripping, my bad. You finna go to your GTA. So wherever your GTA is located. So you're gonna find that real quick. You find that folder, you're finna go to X64 Audio SFX and uh pull that file you just downloaded. You're finna drag both of these resident weapons into this file right here. You're finna click replace. Just like that, that's all you need to do. So let me hop on the server, show you how it sounds. Alright guys, this is how it sounds like. It's just me and my ice out here. That sounds like with the combat pistol. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's gonna be it for me. If y'all want more, just let me know. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.